Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the stainless steel 2-minute discus padlock, which is obviously not from Abus. It's probably somewhere from China because it's unbranded. And I'm going to show you the key. This is what the key looks like. It's a 4-pin core, and for a 4-pin lock that's a pretty good bidding, I would say. And I'm going to share the story behind the 2-minute naming after I maybe picked this lock. So the hardest part of this whole lock is tensioning it properly. So I hope this will do it. And to really force it. Okay. Get the pick in. Hope you can see that. Off camera it obviously works perfectly, but to work around it is kind of awkward. Because you have to hold it very tightly, because that tension wrench slips out or knocks over. It's a common hazard on this. And it already starts, as you can maybe see here. Oh, said and done. Okay. So, I'm sorry, we have to start over. Okay. Maybe like this. Just don't angle it. Oh my god, this happened again. Okay guys, not the pins are the hard part on this, but the housing and obviously the tensioning issue. Yes, and there we go. Tension wrench was already slipping over again. And now we are at 3 minutes, so maybe I should rename it the 3-minute lock. And yeah, the story behind that is this lock comes originally packed with a safety box that is meant to be to secure your trailer. And this actually was hanging and securing one of our trailers that was for sale for about 4 years, I think. Yeah, and it's hanging in the weather for quite some time. And yeah, that is also the reason why this key is so badly bound up. It's completely locked, and I had to soak it in WD-40 for 2 days before I could open it, and that already required a pair of pliers. And I already, start to bend this key pretty bad. Hope you can see that. Yeah. Okay, so a customer came in the shop and he had one of those safety boxes in his hands and asked me if I could recommend it. And I said, well, the box itself is not a bad product, but the lock, which is this, that comes packed with it, well, it's not so good. I said, hey, okay, it's a 2-minute lock. And he was like, what? What do you mean by a 2-minute lock? And I said, well, that's the time that would it take to pick the lock and, steal your trailer if I was a criminal. And he was like, what? How can you tell me that? And I said, well, that's one of my hobbies, not stealing other people's stuff, but lock picking. And I would recommend you to buy a quality lock, like an Abus or something like that, that offers some more resistance. And yeah, that's the evidence for this. So 2 to 3 minute lock, not very impressive. Unbranded, stainless steel. The body itself is not so bad. I once have to saw through this shoulder area, and this took quite some time. So from the outside, it's actually not bad. But if you had some entry plannings for this that happens to be fast, you could probably drill out the core. Okay, let's close it up. And it works also with the key. Okay, that's pretty much it for today. So thanks for watching and bye bye.